doing meat. Kraut. Chicken and dumplings. The sweet cheese. Cucumber lemonade agua fresca. Potato and cheddar. Got a watermelon snow cone. Welcome to Pierogi Fest. Mystery pierogi number 1. Mystery pierogi number 2. A blueberry sweet bun. Inside of the blueberry sweet bun.
The bushas will be coming soon, I'm sure.
A meat and cheese pierogi with sour cream. Dubai chocolate pierogi. Cheesecake on a stick covered in chocolate and peanuts. And it has caramel. This is so good. This deserves a moment.